Are your stylists leaving faster than you can replace them? And are you struggling to keep your salon profitable, even when your chairs are full? The problem might not be your talent or your traffic. It could be your commission structure. And in this video, we're exposing the biggest mistakes salon owners make with commission pay and how it's secretly sabotaging your success. So watch to the end if you want to stop losing money and start building a loyal and profitable team. So welcome to my channel where we bring the real, the raw truth behind salon success. And if you're a salon owner trying to grow your business, manage your team, and actually make money, you're in the right place. Go ahead on and hit that subscribe button for weekly lessons on business, beauty, and balance. So let's talk about commission pay, what you're doing wrong, and how to fix it for good. Mistake number 1 is underpricing your services and overpaying commission. Many salon owners set their prices emotionally instead of mathematically. They're undercharging for services to stay competitive, but then pay 50% for or more in commission, and that leads to little to no profit. So for example, you charge $50 for a haircut and you give 50% to your stylist. That's $25. But what about the product used, like the neck strips, the alcohol, the shampoo, or the hair products? How about the utilities, that power that's to those clippers and that water from the shampoo? Then you have taxes. Uncle Sam needs his cut. Your overall year and all of that. You're barely breaking even, or worse, you're operating at a loss. So here's the solution. Price for profit. Calculate your service costs, your overhead, and your taxes first. Then determine what you can pay in commission while still making at least 15 to 20% profit. 25% would be better. Using a sliding scale if necessary. Now, mistake number 2 is no performance-based structure. Most salons use a flat rate commission, rewarding everyone the same regardless of the performance. So I had one salon owner that I coached. She had 2 stylists. One was bringing in $3,000 a week, and the other was barely clearing $1,200. Both were paid the same rate regardless of how many people they serviced, if they rebooked, or anything. Now, guess who felt underappreciated? The top stylist eventually left for a better paying salon. Now, there wasn't anything for her to look forward to. There was no forward growth in income or education. But here's the solution. To implement a tiered commission structure, set goals for retail sales, client retention, and rebooking rates. The more value a stylist feel, the stylist will bring in more than they earn. Now, this motivates growth, this builds loyalty, and it protects your bottom line. Now, before we move on to mistake number 3, and this is the biggest one, if you have a better understanding of your business, do me a favor and hit that like button and subscribe right here for more beauty business information. This lets me know that you found value in this video, and I can continue to share more just like it. Okay, so mistake number 3. There's no written agreement or clear expectations. There's too many salon owners operating on a handshake. No contract, no job description, and no clarity. So why does this hurt, right? This leads to misunderstandings, confusion, and legal risks. So what happens when someone starts coming in late, not cleaning their station, or just plain old refusing to sell retail? You need policies to fall back on that protects your business and also makes your stylists feel secure in their career and in your salon. The solution is Clear written agreements. Include your commission rates, whether bi-weekly or monthly payouts. You need your service expectations, retail goals, and your salon policies. Onboarding every stylist like a pro. I need you to create a 30, 60, and 90-day goal plan and mentor your team. This sets standards and protect your business. So let's do a quick recap on the biggest mistakes and your action plan. Number one, underpricing services and overpaying stylists. Number two, not tying commission to performance. And number three, no written expectations or agreements. Now, your action plan is number one, run your numbers monthly and adjust your pricing. Number two, introduce a tiered performance structure. And finally, number three, put every agreement in writing. This isn't about cutting costs. It's about building a sustainable, profitable salon where your stylists grow with you. So commission doesn't have to be a nightmare. With the right structure, it can fuel growth, retain top talent, and increase your bottom line. Now, if you found this helpful, go ahead on and hit that like button, subscribe for more salon business strategies, and download my free monthly profit tracker to keep your numbers on point. I wish I had this when I started in this industry. The link is in the description below. See you in the next video.